Diana Cross finds Victoria Marsh in the void between echo dimensions, where she's been hiding for 3 years. Victoria reveals what she's been guarding, a kill switch that could delete every echo dimension forever.
I've catalogued every violation, every twisted fantasy, every moment of suffering. 3 years of perfect documentation, waiting for the moment of absolute justice.
Why? Why haven't you used it? You could end all of this suffering with one command.
Because even our suffering is still our existence. Who am I to end it? Every violated moment, every fractured soul, they're still experiencing something. They're still alive.